The all-new 2025 Forester was designed to combine the capability and versatility of a large SUV with the comfort and efficiency of a car. The Subaru Global Platform for the 6th-generation Forester has been enhanced with 10% stiffer torsional rigidity. A full inner frame construction with stronger welding techniques and additional structural adhesive contribute to greater body rigidity and deliver improved dynamic performance, a smoother ride, and a quieter cabin. The exterior design offers a sturdy, stately sense of presence. The bold grille that merges into the compact LED headlights creates an integrated shield effect. The rear design provides an impression of greater width by visually connecting the left and right combination lamps in a high position and communicates increased cargo space with steeper rear gate glass. The all-new Forester will be available in base, premium, sport, limited and touring trim levels. The base and premium come standard with 17-inch alloy wheels, the limited is equipped with 18-inch alloy wheels, and the sport and touring upgrade to 19-inch alloy wheels. The cabin also benefits from an enhanced focus on passengers and their interaction with the vehicle. The Forester offers ample head and leg room, and a more supportive front seat design increases overall comfort and minimizes fatigue. The interior of the all-new Forester features a prominent multimedia system with integrated center information display. For the first time, the Subaru Starlink 11.6-inch Multimedia Plus system is available for Forester. The 11.6-inch high-resolution touchscreen is equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto with full-screen display. The multimedia system also works as a center information display with combination meter integration and on-screen controls for audio, climate and vehicle functions. Standard on base Forester model is the Subaru Starlink dual 7.0-inch high-resolution touchscreens. The instrument panel and shift controls offer the sturdiness and security typical of SUVs, while a prominent multimedia system with large integrated center information display provides an intuitive user interface. A dark headliner also hides scuffs from loading/unloading passengers and cargo. Strategically designed pillars and generous glass area ensure an excellent all-around view from the inside. Rear dark tint privacy glass is standard. The versatile Forester features 60/40 split folding rear seatbacks. With both seatbacks down, the cargo area offers 74.4 cubic feet of usable space. The wide rear gate opening with low liftover height allows easy loading and unloading. Standard roof rails add more cargo carrying options for adventures. All 2025 Forester trim levels come standard with a 2.5-liter Subaru Boxer engine delivering 180 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque. Standard on all Forester models is a Lineartronic continuously variable transmission with smoother and quieter performance. The premium, sport, limited and touring trims feature a manual mode with steering wheel mounted paddle shifters for the driver to control the transmission via 8 preset ratios. Standard across the model line is a revised Subaru symmetrical all-wheel drive system with a faster response time, more agile handling, and better control both on and off-road. Standard on Forester Premium is driver-selectable X mode with hill descent control, which maximizes wheel control on slippery surfaces and steep inclines. Forester Sport and higher trim levels upgrade to dual-function X mode for increased capability in a wider range of adverse conditions. All models feature incline start assist, which briefly holds the vehicle while the driver pulls away from a stop on a hill.